So this is another video called 142 linked list cycle. So basically all the problem is the same as the previous 141 linked list cycle. If you haven't seen it, you can go to my YouTube channel and type 141 linked list cycle. I think you will find it. And basically it's exactly the same problem. The only difference is in 141, what we need to know is just whether it's a cycle or not. But in this 142 cases, we need to find a node of the node of the first node of when cycle start. So in this case, you need to return this node 2 because the cycle start at node 2. And in this case, you need to return a node 1. Basically, it's the head node because the cycle start from head. Okay, and if there is no cycle, then you just return nothing. So basically, you don't return anything if there is no cycle. Okay, and to solve it, it's very easy that we just copy our original code, copy here to here, and so remember that our original code is basically if you see some some node already happen in your hash set. Or you like to use a hash table, or basically anyway. If you see something which already happened, then you just return true. But now if you see something already happened, then you just return that node, because that node means that the first repeated node is the start cycle. Is where the cycle start, because you see if the -4 gets C2, so 2 is the start of cycle. So you just copy all this code to here. And then change this true to be the head. Okay, so basically you create a set, and if the head is not none, then you just add it. If you haven't seen the node before, then you just add it into your set. If you already see it, then basically this is the answer. So you just return the head. Then you just keep iterating the linked list. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so basically it's the same as the previous technique, and that's it. And I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.